maybe you can tell us a little bit about why you joined these summer courses. What is your motivation?
Actually, as a student of a bioscience, studying related to the biology also, and my research is basically related to the biomedical.
Some key cover points that you would like to address in this summer course.
Actually, we decided to organize the summer school in two parts. One part was lectures, so we had lecturers from different countries around the world, so like specialists.
What is the most exciting in joining the summer course? Maybe you can tell us a little bit story about that.
Okay, for me the exciting thing in this summer course is that the field works and also the workshop. The second is workshop, because as a student we are always attending lectures.
Halo Sobat IPB, welcome to IPB Podcast. With me, Indri Hafsari Fitriani, will be your host today. Today's topic is about the 7th summer course on the biology. And before we go into the deep times, I will explain a little bit about the summer course itself. The summer course program is a regular program organized by Department of Biology, IPB University. This year, the course carries a theme focused on the tropical insect biology and is joined by participants from the various countries. In this episode, IPB podcast, we are honored to welcome two very special guests who will share their experience participating in the 7th summer course on biology. Join us today, Dr. Tony Robillard, a lecturer from the Muséum National d'Histoire Naturelle, French, and the expert from the tropical entomologies. And also beloved student, Muhammad Ali from the Pakistan, now currently study at the University 11 Maret, Indonesia, who took part on these summer courses. And how are you guys? Good?
We are fine.
Very good.
Thank you very much for coming this session. So I will have some questions. I will go first to you, Tony. What is your it's topic about the tropical. You mentioned that you are the entomologist. You do the entomologist. Why? Can you inform us about that a little bit?
I can tell you about my research. Yes. I'm an entomologist. Actually, I'm an evolutionary biologist. I study insects because I study them for studying evolution on a deep time, and I study their communication, how insects speak to each other, and how the males speak to the females, how it interacts with the predators, how it interacts with the forest around, because the forest can make the sound not very propagating very well, or so on. So to do these evolutionary stories, we need species. We need to know who are the participants to the community. And most of the species we study are from tropical countries and tropical places, and actually most of the species are unknown when we start the studies. So this is very important to study species of insects in their natural environment in tropical places, and this is how we initiated the collaboration between the museum and IPB by talking about, we are in France and we need to study some insects which are in Indonesia. Not only in Indonesia, but a lot of species are in Indonesia and are completely unstudied and unknown. And then we started this idea and focusing that we need to study more insects. And to study more insects, we need to be more researchers, and to have more researchers, we need to train students. So we started this discussion saying that, okay, let's organize a summer school to start this process of training new students.
Okay, wow, it's a very interesting story. So the first thing first, how the collaboration between IPB and because you would like to research about the entomology, especially insect in the tropical forest, right? So maybe you can give the information what some key cover points that you would like to address in this summer course.
Actually, we wanted to address everything.
Oh, okay.
But we had to make choice.
Yeah.
Actually, we decided to organize the summer school in two parts. One part was lectures. So we had lecturers from different countries around the world, so like specialists who were coming to speak about their own research on their own insect group. So some people talked about Lepidoptera, some about bugs. I talked about crickets. So it was always a question of a different group of insects and a different topic. So this was for the lectures. And then after, we wanted to train the students to do this themselves. Okay. So there were some workshops, and they trained to find insects in nature and to identify the insects in water, in the forests. And we went up to the integrative studies.
Okay.
So we started we gave them some training for the molecular studies based on these insects too. So we wanted to cover from the field to the molecular lab.
Wow. Okay, good. It's a very wonderful explanation. So how I know from the leaflet that the summer course they have a lot of people or speaker involved. Maybe as you already mentioned before, not only the insect, you also mentioned about the moleculars. And can you inform us a little bit more deep about the summer course?
So the summer school took place as in two parts, talks themselves. So it took place in July for about 10 days.
Okay.
And then we gathered. Some of us gathered in IPB all together. So some speakers, some teachers, and the students. First we had some time in the botanical garden in Bogor, where we had ice-breaking sessions. So we made some games, or they made some games, and we laughed. and we introduced each other. So it was a time to know each other, because to be a good trainer or a good group, to work as a group, you need to know each other. And after this training session, we continued the lectures, and there was, after the workshops, and finally the students made their own projects.
Okay. Oh, they made an own project. Okay. Yeah. Speaking of the student, I will go to the Ali. So maybe you can tell us a little bit about why you joined these summer courses. What is your motivation?
Okay, sure. Actually, as a student of a bioscience, studying related to the biology also, and my research is basically related to the biomedical. So my research focus on therapeutic potential of fish oil and use it as a intervention for the inflammation. Yeah. So when I was working in the lab, at that time I was thinking about it like this kind of research is just focusing on the marine products. So I was thinking when I applied to the summer course, okay, I have seen the title, the tropical insects. I was thinking, oh, this is like something different but still related to my field. So let's move from lab to the field. Yeah, so that's made me motivated, like, okay, let's explore it. And also when I joined this summer course, and then I realized that, wow, this is just amazing for me. This made me very motivated to come to this summer course, to join this summer course.
I know, because you are travel from Solo to here, right? So, so it will be, so I would like to ask a little bit about what is the most exciting in joining the summer course. Maybe you can tell us a little bit story about that.
Okay, for me, the exciting thing in this summer course is that the field works and also the workshop. The second is workshop, because as a student, we are always attending lectures, even in every degree, the bachelor's, master's, for PhD. Yeah, we are like tired of sometimes lectures, and especially in this in summer season, students want relaxation, of course. Yeah. So of course there is a lectures before these workshops and fieldworks. So we attended that lecture and we implemented that knowledge to the fieldworks. We going outside in this IPB also we have visit to the Kebun Raya, the Bogor Botanical Garden, and one of the best experience for me that made me most exciting part in this summer course.
Oh, okay. I think you both have a same story. Botanical Garden Hin is a very, very special. I mean, not only you, me as a Bogor people also very impressed with the Botanical Gardens. It's a very, very wonderful. So maybe you mentioned your background is the bioscience.
Yes.
Bioscience, right?
Yes, bioscience with medical.
Oh, okay.
research.
So, what is the challenge when you join the summer course? What is the challenge?
Okay, for the challenge is because my field is medical, so it is still a part of bio related. So outside the field, when I was joining the summer course, that was like for me is a challenge that to join the another domain of that biology. But I still joined because to extend my knowledge, and I'm thankful to the speakers and lecturers which give me the opportunity, and they give me the very insightful talks on these topics. So, and other challenge, one of the challenge also is because the course is in English language, which is good because we understand English. But for the students, when we have a project works, so we have to talk with them in Bahasa Indonesia. Yeah, still I understand Bahasa, but not that much. Okay. But it is also one of the positive opportunity for me to contact and interact with the local student also. So little bit challenge for this also.
Okay, so using Bahasa is also very challenging. But when you are using the batik clothes, I think you are already immersed with the Indonesians.
Because I love Indonesia now when I'm coming from Pakistan, and now it is like 2 years for me here.
Okay.
And I really love the culture of Indonesia.
Yeah, it's a very nice color. I mean, it's a very good.
Okay.
It's, I think the patterns is from Solo, if I'm not mistaken, no?
This shirt I buy it from Surabaya.
Surabaya, wow.
Yeah,
it's a very nice. It's a very fit with your...
Thank you so much.
Okay, so thank you very much. So I will move to your... Tony, maybe the last. You mentioned about the collaboration with the IPB, right? So what is your... near futures, maybe there is a collaboration within or something like that, because I know from the summer course, summer school that IPB mentions is also the first hanging fruit for having collaboration with the institutions. I think it's a very good also for our IPB. So what is your thing about that?
Oh, the future is, taking advantage of what we have started, what we have created with this summer school to train students in research project, real one, not training. And I am very happy because during these few days here in IPB, I found a student who is a candidate to do a PhD in France with me on tropical insects, on Indonesian insects. So I will start a longer collaboration through this PhD project, and I hope that we inspired many more students who were participants to do research with, maybe contact some speakers or just have the idea of developing some new research in their masters or in their future PhDs, or if they are doing already a PhD to add new side projects to the PhD inspired by this.
Wow, amazing. I mean, it's a very, very good when our student can continue their study in France. It's also very good. Thank you very much.
And maybe the last thing I want to say that when a collaboration ends with training a student between two countries, this is sealing a collaboration between two groups of research, two countries, because these students are trained by two mentors generally in two places, and then when they become a full researcher and have a position somewhere, they become a long-term colleague. So it's creating links which are not very short, like research tend to be short now, but we try to develop more and more when we can long-term research.
Yes, of course, and I hope that there is a joint publication as well together.
Always.
Yes, there will be very, very good collaboration within this collaboration. Wonderful. Thank you very much. And lastly, maybe Ali, is maybe, would you recommend this summer course with your friends, your colleague, or maybe, yeah, if maybe next year they will have another summer course, maybe you will join again or something like that? Or
Okay, I will say absolutely yes. I will recommend to them because when I was traveling from Solo to Bogor, at that time I was not sure that what will be the in that summer course. But now when I'm near to finish the summer course, now I can say that please come out from your comfort zone. And IPB is providing so many opportunities, and they are giving so many informative lectures, talks, and professional speakers from different countries. So they give you much more opportunities. So come out from your comfort zone, please participate in summer course, and IPB habit.
wow, wonderful. Thank you very much, Ali. Because not only the biology, actually, IPB also have another 23rd summer courses. So we also over many, broad topics as well. So not only for the biology, from the agricultures and so on. So I think it's also a good opportunity. Thank you very much for sharing your story, Ali and Tony. Thank you very much again.
Thank you.
So hopefully we will have a good collaboration with the IPB and the friends as well. So thank you so much for your sharing the story and experience and the 7th summer course in biology. And I'm Indri Hapsari. I'm signing off and see you next episode. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
thank you.
you.
Thank you.